For this, what's the vibe then? Cause I'm extra lit, Henny, I'm badness. Some man get to this, did something for.
Here we have two clips. Find adjustment clip in the effects section. Throw that above the clips. Switch over to the Fusion tab. Add a transform node. Keyframe the beginning and end. Go to last frame of the first clip and keyframe it so as to fill half the screen. Do the same with the next frame. Open the splines. Select them all and press S. You can also make the clips mirror so it looks smoother. You can change the spline around to make it even more intense. You can also keyframe the angles.
Little brodies working, rowdies lurking in the spaceship, Cali bad man's burning. Give her this, the inside's curling, everything. Watch my diamonds twerking, whipping it,